I'm gonna talk about the most accepted cell theory, or the origin of life, and my beliefs in it, or whether do I believe it or not, or do I have my own belief. Uh, there are many cell theories actually in its origin of life. There is the extraterrestrial, where the first cell came from outer space. There is the supernatural, wherein God created everything, and we have the chemical evolution theory. I think the most accepted is the chemical evolution theory, which is almost accurate, uh, convincing. Chemical evolution theory talks about a single atom or molecule, and due to the factors of the pre-biological Earth, like gases, the surroundings, made it into a more complex molecule, which became a cell. In the 1950s, Mayer and Urey made an experiment that replicated the Earth's environment. It had it had ammonia, methane, water, and hydrogen. Uh, After 1 week, those gases were exposed to heat and electricity, of course, which were present in pre-biological Earth. After 1 week, they found amino acids in its environment. As we all know, amino acids are important for life, for DNA, and for the cell. So it was if after 1 week, that's what happened. How much more the billion years of 4 billions of years, and they could have evolved. It could surely be believed and convincing that they have evolved into a more single cell. Imagine, after 1 week of this simple experiment, they found amino acids. So meaning, after 4 billions of years, there could be a possibility. We could be convinced it could be true that it developed into a fully grown and a more complex cell. But sadly, what I believe is the supernatural theory. Uh, I believe that there is a higher being, a supreme being, omnis. Uh, we all know that is God, and I, I believe it's because of my faith in Him. And despite being a science student, I will not ignore the theories which were based on facts. But I still believe in the divine intervention. But we do not know actually what is what unless we die. I have no exact explanation why I prefer the supernatural theory. I only have faith. I only have faith to back it up. But if we really want to find out what happened, but I guess we have to die first.